Alright, SWF, I'm T-Dog and I'm here with a ShopIWTV unboxing or unpackaging or whatever it is. And without further ado, let's get to it. Scissors. Receipt. Just checking. Make sure anything else is in there. Alright. And this is the uncensored version of the Nate Webb's Big Ol' F Off Dirtbag Kitchen t-shirt, which you can get on ShopIWTV.com. They also have the regular shirt, which is the F word censored, and that's about it. That's all I've got. And this has been a ShopIWTV unboxing. I'll catch y'all on the next one. So long.